Got a Tangem wallet and wondering if your phone's up to the task of keeping your crypto secure? You're not alone. In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly central to our financial lives, the compatibility of our hardware wallets with our everyday devices is a crucial, often overlooked, detail. Imagine having a state-of-the-art security device for your crypto, only to find out it won't connect seamlessly with the phone you rely on daily. Frustrating, right? That's why understanding Tangem Wallet's phone compatibility isn't just about convenience, it's about ensuring uninterrupted access and control over your digital wealth. Tangem stands out with its innovative approach to crypto security, offering a cold storage solution that looks and feels like a credit card. But what makes this sleek card wallet truly powerful is its ability to interact directly with your smartphone, leveraging near-field communication, NFC, technology. This means no cables, no Bluetooth pairing, just a simple tap. So, what phones are truly compatible with Tangem Wallet? The short answer is, most modern smartphones equipped with NFC. The longer, more helpful answer dives into the specifics. For iPhone users, if you have an iPhone 7 or a newer model, you're generally good to go. This covers a vast range of devices, from the iPhone 7, 8, X, XS, XR, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the latest iPhone 15 series, including all their Pro, Max, and Mini variations. Apple fully integrated NFC capabilities into these models, allowing for seamless communication with devices like the Tangem Wallet. The key is ensuring your iOS version is up to date, as software updates often improve NFC performance and security. On the Android side, the landscape is a bit broader but equally straightforward. The vast majority of Android smartphones released in the last 5 to 7 years come standard with NFC. This includes popular brands like Samsung, Galaxy S series, Note series, A series, Google, Pixel series, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Huawei, LG, Sony, and many others. If your Android phone was mid-range or high-end when purchased, it almost certainly has NFC. To quickly check, you can usually find an NFC toggle in your phone's quick settings panel or within the connected devices or network and internet section of your main settings menu. If it's there, your phone is likely compatible. What about older phones or those without NFC? Unfortunately, without NFC functionality, your phone won't be able to communicate directly with the Tangem Wallet. The entire premise of Tangem's ease of use relies on that tap-and-go interaction. While some older or budget-oriented phones might lack NFC, it's increasingly rare for newly released smartphones. It's also important to remember that while NFC is the core requirement, a stable internet connection on your phone is also necessary for the Tangem app to function correctly and interact with the blockchain. The app itself acts as the bridge between your physical Tangem card and the digital world of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to view balances, send, and receive assets. In essence, if your smartphone has NFC and is running a relatively recent operating system, iOS 13 plus 4 iPhones, Android 8 plus 4 Android devices, you're well equipped to use your Tangem Wallet. This broad compatibility ensures that whether you're an Apple enthusiast or an Android loyalist, your path to secure crypto management with Tangem is likely smooth and hassle-free. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.